1 second of distraction. Boom! A crash. Heart-stopping collisions. Life or death moments. What caused them? Who's at fault? Who's in the right? And how can we avoid these dangerous situations? Let's find out now.
Oh my God, right at the president. Are you kidding me? Did y'all see that? Yeah, I got it on the president of the United States in that car.
Let's minimize distractions and steer clear of anything that might divert our attention. Avoid taking unnecessary risks while driving, especially when the road ahead is uncertain. It's rather dim in this area. It appears we could benefit from additional street lighting.
Non-compliance comes with a price and always will. When you are stupid enough to attack cops, the price goes up.
They don't make your day more stressful just because of road rage. Make sure you are alert enough when participating in traffic. Before moving, make sure your goods are firmly fixed. Incidents caused by your own car are no longer strange. Please check it carefully. Oh my God, I think no driver can pass this road at this wind speed. Oh my, I believe no one should behave like such a reckless driver.
This guy tried to check the brakes of the truck behind him.
Look, the man became displeased when the car ahead abruptly changed lanes, causing the driver to come to a halt. But what was his game?
Ontario, California, Ontario. You are this Friday, Saturday. Be watching UFC London.
Right, that dark Hyundai Elantra.
Nice job handling that bit.
That'd be a bad thing to have those. No, it's a great thing. Erotic mover. The more erotic, the better. If you can give me a sleeping drug that... I mean, he was saying that the
Oh, whoa!
The driver lacks a pair of wings to fly forever.
My gosh!
I'm really confused. Even though the traffic is not crowded, the incident still happens because the drivers drive recklessly.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Wow. Oh my God.
I wonder if they'll ever adopt a signage with that info similar to the max height when going under a bridge. I'm baffled as to who authorized that driver's license, honestly.
Офигеть. Не случается.
Do you have any advice for drivers in this situation? Leave your comments below the video.
Такие страшные вещи могут случиться.
Check your car regularly to minimize problems caused by the car on your journey.
Now. If you're not sure, ladies and gentlemen, you know, let's go.
There's a side mirror on the van's right side. The driver didn't bother to look. Oh my God. The driver appeared to be completely losing control of the steering wheel. Oh no. This serves as a poignant reminder for us all to exercise greater caution.
Yo, the second accident.
Should have waited a few seconds, then the rear car couldn't claim they were pulling into the nearest parking lot to clear the intersection. You don't let haste affect your trip. Do not correct course, just plow through it as best you can.
Stumbling. Yeah. Gotta do it for one. Damn it. Really?
Make sure your foot doesn't come off the brake until you're ready to move.
You alright? I'm fine. Okay. Good. Good.
What happened, babe? Oh my God!
Someone ran a red light.
Oh my God. Glad that the pedestrian made it through. Why didn't the barriers come down?
Is it another track?
Oh!
Let's not behave recklessly like this driver. Fortunately, the driver emerged unscathed. Be cautious when driving on the Gyeongbu Expressway. It serves as a valuable lesson for certain drivers. It's amazing when people straight up don't take accountability for their actions.
My God, you. What is wrong with you?
I think the point is, how often are we really going under the speed limit?
Hitting is.
Mad.
This is why traffic lights and lane markings are needed.
There is no place, I say, wait. Hey, see, he's hitting.
Go that way.
The driver drove in the wrong lane but acted arrogantly and defiantly. It was as if they believed the rules didn't apply to them.
Signal on है, signal is on.
Driver veered to the middle lane, ignored the red light, and was swiftly nabbed by cops. Demonstrates proactive policing success in upholding traffic order, ensuring public safety. Well done. Let's hope lenient judges don't let them off with community service and a fine.
That's truly astonishing the driver emerged unscathed. Take this as a reminder to stay focused while driving. Be careful on the slippery snow. One misstep can lead to a harsh fall. Collision with jam shut at the intersection of culture.
Regular bus if you order now
On Highway 2 in Glendale, there was an incident involving a Tesla driver who became aggressive after crossing lanes and colliding with another vehicle.
That's 800-485-1049.
And I heard it as well.
Perhaps taxi drivers make a mistake when they think they own London's roads. It's unusual to see a Fiat driver being the aggressor rather than a BMW. Worrying when they really always believe they are right.
Jakiego f***sa, tak? Jakiego f***sa?
Coś mi się
Jakiego f***sa?
No więc uważaj, ku.
Jestem,
Bo
dobra.
będziesz kiwać, ku, to możesz w swojej starej, ku.
No, ja nie
Ośle
jestem
go,
stara, weź...
Calmly handle everything. Let's see how she escapes trouble on the road. On the road in Dagenham, East London, the man, visibly agitated by the traffic, engaged in an argument.
Oh! Holy in hell! Oh my God! Holy!
It's so scary how people drive while looking at their phones non-stop. Glad everyone made it out safely.
Alles egal gewesen.
What a strangely silly game that trucker was playing. The driver tried his best and overtook the police car.
Wow. That guy seems hot-tempered, but the rude driver who honked his horn got what he deserved. There are no sirens, just lights, but it was definitely a police car. The inevitable occurred as a white SUV ran a red light directly in front of a police officer. Justice, swift and evident, was served once more on the busy city streets.
Yeah, that's right. Instant justice.
Look, this is why you should maintain your car regularly to have safe journeys.
There's enough space to pass here, sir. I've stopped, so there's no danger. It weighs 15 tons. And this is soft.
Didn't he have enough courage to pass the truck?
You can pass, sir. Hey, you don't tell me what to do.
I feel a bit more than here.
I can film what I want. I can do what I want, John. I can.
I hope the people in that other car were okay. That looked pretty bad. The other driver needs to be locked up and banned from driving permanently. Pay attention and use your rear mirrors to pass safely.